everyone, my name is Yadhira Gonzalez-Taylor and I am a lifelong Bronxite, born and raised here in the Bronx. I am running for civil court judge in Bronx County for the city of New York. The next election is June 22nd of 2021. I am a former prosecutor in Bronx County. I am a professor at Monroe College, and I also prosecuted corruption in the New York City Police Department. I'm a professor at Monroe College, shaping our future servants. I am married to a retired firefighter lieutenant who also served the Bronx community, and I have 3 daughters, 2 of which are adults. One is a teacher, the second one is a nursing student, and my baby who's a teenager going to high school in September. I am running to let everyone know that there are choices in the judges that we elect. I am running to let everyone know that down ballot races matter, meaning, are you more likely to meet a judge in civil court because you are fighting your landlord or fighting the person who owns the lease to your commercial establishment? Or are you more likely to meet the president or the mayor unless they are campaigning? We're here, we're running our campaign through June 22nd. I'm hoping to earn your support. Check me out at www.ygt4bronxjudge.com. I am on Facebook, Yadhira for Civil Court Judge. I'm also on Twitter. My personal handle is at GothamESQ, and the judge candidate handle is at YGT4 Bronx Judge.